had a long-term customer who wanted to be more competitive on a product which we were making metal stampings for. They looked at making modifications to their LED light fixture chassis. There were several stampings involved in this product. In particular, the focus was on the chassis body and 2 end caps, which were produced from coil in our stamping presses. While these all worked well, the customer wanted to improve the mounting of components of the fixture and reduce discrete components if possible. We worked with our customer and tooling partner to make these improvements and review reducing the number of components. During design for manufacturability discussions, we agreed that the 2 end caps could be integrated into the chassis body in the progressive die. This would turn 3 parts into 1, reducing part count and assembly time for our customer. Many factors had to be taken into careful consideration to make this tooling successful. After the tool was built, it was set up in the machine and parts were produced. Our QA department verified the parts as dimensionally conforming and production began. In the end, the project was successful, and this more competitive fixture is being mass-produced today. You can put the team at Talan Products on your projects. Get us up to bat for you and see if we can hit a few out of the park and make you a star. Get us involved early in your design process and utilize our Design for Manufacturability experience to make your products more competitive. What are you waiting for? Call, email, or schedule a visit to Talan Products today.